CAMM2 is replacing the RAM stick as we know it, and your next laptop will prove it. Let's jump into this article right now. But before I do, you can help me out. It's completely free by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and of course, comment down below. Now, you might be wondering, what is CAMM? CAMM is compression attached memory module. For decades, RAM sticks were the thing. But maybe, just maybe, it's time to move on to CAMM2. This is what the dawn of the new age looks like. Slim, bolted right down to the board. There might be some advantages. Now, I did a video a while back on this very topic, but I thought I would do it again because it is so very, very interesting. Now, CAMM2 memory is nothing new. These modules, they've made the laptops super thin. Like, for example, the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Dell Precision Series are already using these LP CAMM2 for LPDDR5X memory. But no siree, Bob. We're talking here about motherboards that have this memory on it. Because when DDR6 comes out, this is probably what you're going to be getting. But when is this going to be happening? Well, in a few years. Yes. Maybe by 2030. So, we can mentally and financially prepare for this. Now, this could mean that the memory will be cooler and they will be faster, but boy, oh boy, they will be expensive. And given the current costs of DDR5 because of the AI boom, you and I, sorry, you cannot afford them. How much might they cost? And this is total speculation, 100% speculation. Could go as high as $500 for a 32 gigabyte kit. I think it would be a heck of a lot more expensive than that. That's it. It's the end of the video. Comments down below.